Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sonos 5 speakers and you need to do a hard reset. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a variety of issues. If the speakers are not connecting to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or they're not joining the Sonos, or they keep disconnecting, or just any other connection issues, or there are problems with the sound, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, and it's quite easy to do. So all we need to do is come in behind on the back of our speaker as shown here, and you're going to see hole number 4. So that's the AC power. So we're going to unplug the speaker from the power there. And once we've unplugged the speaker from the power, we're going to come in here and button number 3, which is the join button, we're going to press and hold it. And while we're holding it, we're going to go ahead and plug the power back into the speaker, all the while continuing to hold the join button. The little light indicator on the speaker, we're just going to wait. We're going to continue to hold the join button until it's going to blink white, until it starts to blink reddish orange. Then we can release it and allow it to complete its reset process. And when it's done, it will show green, and that means that the reset has been completed.